Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make arepas that are filled with ham and cheese. These take no time to make, about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can serve them for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. To make the dough, we're going to place pre-cooked cornmeal in a large bowl. Then we're going to season it with a little bit of salt. And then we're going to slowly add warm water as we need until we get a very nice and smooth dough. Once the dough is ready, we're going to divide it into portions, and then we're going to shape each portion into a large bowl. And then with the palm of our hands, we're just going to press it to form it into a thick disc. And this is what the arepas are going to look like. They're going to be about ½ an inch thick. And if you notice that you have any cracks on the edges, you can just smooth them out with your fingertips. Then in a large pan or griddle, we're going to melt butter over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add the arepas and we're going to grill them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown, because remember that the cornmeal that we're using is already pre-cooked. Once the arepas are ready, we're going to remove them from the heat, let them cool for a little bit, and then we're going to cut them in half with a knife. We're only going to cut them partially with a knife. We're not going to cut them all the way through. And now we're going to fill them with about 2 slices of ham. I love to use Black Forest ham for this recipe. And we're also going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded cheese. I love to use mozzarella cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese that you want. And if you want, you can also use cheese slices as well. And at this point, you can go ahead and serve the arepas. But what I like to do is put them back on the grill until the cheese starts to melt. And that's your recipe for making delicious Colombian arepas that are filled with ham and cheese. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.